How to clear cache on Android? Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to clear cache on Android. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Clearing the cache on your Android device can help improve performance, free up storage and resolve issues with specific apps. The cache is a temporary storage area where apps store data for quick access. So, in order to clear cache for individual apps, simply open Settings on your device. Scroll down and then tap on Apps. Select App Management option at top of the screen. Scroll down and select the app which you want to clear the cache of. Now tap Storage Uses and tap Clear Cache. Be careful not to tap clear data unless you want to reset the app entirely, which can delete settings and use your data. If you wish to clear cache for all the application, then simply open settings again. Come to the settings section and then tap About Device. Tap Storage. In here, you may see the option of cache data. If the option is not available, you will need to clear the cache individually for apps as outlined in the first method. Or else, you can also use third-party application in order to clear cache, like different kinds of application from Google Play Store is available. And then, using the app instruction, you can easily clear cache files and other unnecessary data. So in this way, you can easily clear the cache on your Android device and then improve the performance of your device. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button. Subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.